All right, this is just a brief overview of Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is a desktop application as well as an online app that allows you to sort of bring your classroom into the digital space. I highly suggest using the desktop app as it has more robust features than the online version. Now, you can use Microsoft Teams to create specific teams. As you'll see here, I'm a member of a few of them. Some of them are just with fellow colleagues. Some of them are for just work with students. If I open up a specific class that I created to do some work with some current students, you will notice that this is a place where I can schedule my meetings and post assignments for the kids. Each team has further tabs across the top. I'll go into those in more detail later, but you'll see that your files for the class, the assignments, the grades that students have and that you were recording are available to you there. So the teams themselves allow you to basically put your content in a digital space for the students to be able to access. If I go back to all my teams using that little button in the top left corner, you'll see I can access any other team that I'm currently working with as well. The majority of what you will be working in is this area here, Teams. But if you wanted to just look at the assignments itself, you can go here and look at all the different groups you're in, and then just look at all the assignments specific to that course itself. So if you find it easier, you're just going in to do some marking and stuff, you can go and use this tab here for that purpose. Alternately, if you want to see what does your calendar look like with some of the meetings and stuff that you've scheduled with certain people, then we can go back and take a look at previous meetings that you were part of and upcoming meetings that you have scheduled with students. And lastly, you can see on the left here, all of the files that you've currently been working on are accessible right here. This may not be a big deal for you per se, but I do find that students natively just go to the file section and pick up where they last left off. So if they're ever looking for something and they can't find it, they should start in Teams, but the next place I would then go look would be in Files. You can also go into the chat feature, which allows you to have conversations with specific individuals from anywhere. If they have the app on their phone, it'll notify them there as well. But this is just an overview of Microsoft Teams.